All right, so what we have here today is some auto custom carpets. What I did was I ordered, instead of ordering a whole like dyno mat for the bottom of the floor of the car, what I did was I ordered with the mass backing on this auto custom carpet. So we're gonna see what exactly that mass backing looks like. I haven't even opened the box yet, so we're gonna see if it was worth it or not, or if I should have just covered the floor of the car with that Thermo King asphalt type sound deadener. So we're gonna open this box and see what it looks like. All right, here we go. Open this sucker up. You can already see the sound deadening on it. This mass backing. This is it's like a thick rubber on the back of this carpet. I'm gonna take the carpet out and lay it down on the ground and open it up so it can kind of reform. All right, so what I'm gonna do is pull a box out, see about laying this on the ground and kind of letting it breathe for a minute. Oh, we get to first see the color. This is definitely green color. You can really see the padding and the matting on this stuff here. Go like this. There it is. Have to trim the edges and trim the holes, but that's what it looks like. All right, so what we're doing here is we're putting the carpet in. I'm gonna tell you what, the back piece fits amazing. The way it contours the floor pan, look at that, it fits amazing. All the little ridges, just fits perfect. Cut this out right here. This is for the back seat to go in. I'm working along the edge there. I have to work along here, cut this out, make this fit. Obviously fit for the door sill. But my biggest thing right now I'm concerned about is just how not the best the front fits. And look how far that carpet, the pad is right there. Let me go around and let you see this. So far from the front. So that means that front is gonna have to be trimmed significantly. And then this big, where the bell housing is, it's just, I don't know. It's not the transmission tunnel. It's just not fitting perfect. I'm gonna work on getting the back done first. That way we can really see how it comes out. Well, so far, like I said, it definitely makes the car already feel that much better. That thick mat on the back of it really. So we're gonna see how this comes out. I'm gonna start working around the edges and we'll see what happens. All right, here we go. We're getting there with this project. I got the back carpet pretty much all done here, all along the sides, the whole back. So much extra carpet. I have the front pretty much laid out the way I want it, and it looks really good. I have the length. I have to trim the sides, get it to fit pretty good, but see how it fits really nice along there underneath the transmission tunnel. Got the pad where it's supposed to be. Let's come back and cut these edges and get them along, along the lines here so that it fits right over. But the amount I had to take off was crazy. I mean, it had to be almost this much from the front. I mean, you're talking, you know, almost a foot for it to line up correctly. Because what was happening was that pad, see how it's in a good spot, and a couple of these dimples here weren't lining up correctly. It was way back here. So what we did was we just went ahead and cut the front, kept inching it up because you can't put more on, so just kept cutting the front until we were able to get enough on it. I think it's gonna look good. We're gonna do those sides there, put on the trim, get the back seat on. You know, at first I wasn't too thrilled with the color of the carpet. I thought it was a bit teal colored compared to, say, that green, which is like a moss green, and this is like it has a little teal in certain lights compared, so you can see the difference. But with the green door panels and the green carpet, it goes really, really well. I mean, I don't know what's gonna work with, you know, that color green. So this was dark green from Auto Carpets. What's the name? It was from Stock Interiors, but you know, Auto Custom Carpets. I think everybody just gets their carpets from Auto Custom Carpets. So it was nice. We were able to, you know, came from Stock Interiors. So pleased with how it came out so far. Of course, with any project, you know, doing anything, something always is bound to screw up. And this little connector right here, let's see if I can get this light. This little connector right here, the other side of the wire broke. I mean, it's just old, so I have to fix that. But yeah, I'm excited to get this on, get the sill plates. I got the sill plate back there. We're gonna polish those up, and that's gonna be another video. Bought a new toy to help polish the different trim that we have for the car. So hopefully next video or next time I'm gonna record, I'll have this all buttoned up and stuff, and I'm gonna go to storage tomorrow and get the rear seats, put the rear seats in so we can start getting this car back together and see what it looks like. Well, appreciate it, guys.